Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel, Teach Ellie here. We are going to be doing some reading today. Come on, let us have some fun learning to read. I am a girl. I am a girl. I am a girl. My name is Am. My name is Am. My name is Am. I am a big girl. I am a big girl. I am a big girl. I am going to school. I am going to school. I am going to school. I am learning. I am learning. I am learning. I am kind. I am kind. I am kind. I am a smart girl. I am a smart girl. I am a smart girl. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. I am a brave girl. I am a brave girl. I am a brave girl. I am kind. I am kind. I am kind. I am happy at school. I am happy at school. I am happy at school. Okay then, we have come to the end of this lesson using the words I and am to make sentences. Don't forget to click the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Read With Me videos.